Never have you experienced cooking like Della's. It's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Hello everyone and welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by and welcome. Now today we will be making a air fried salmon. So let's get started with our salmon seasoning. We have turmeric, cumin, garlic powder, kosher salt, cafe black pepper, and some smoked paprika. So let's get started by stirring it up. Okay, now that is your salmon seasoning. You want to make sure it's not lumpy. So here it is, right here, guys. Now let's get our salmon. You want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on each side. Very little. Now you want to put some honey on it. Now you want to rub the honey on the front and the back. In the sides. Now we're going to get our seasoning. You want to season front and back. And rub it in. Make sure you season to taste. And a salmon is a really good, healthy fish. And air fryer make it much healthier as well. It's coming along real good. Now you want to marinate it for a half an hour Don't marinate it too long because the fish will become mushy. Preheat your air fryer for 5 minutes on 370. Let's put the salmon inside the air fryer. Hit that fish button. That's 325 for 15 minutes, and we'll be right back. And that looks beautiful. Then we got to take it out and plate it. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.